Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a cartoon effect on CapCut apps. Now let's get started. First, after you open your CapCut apps and add the photo that you want to change to cartoon effect, so you just click on this photo, click on it, and in here you can click on the style. Click on the style and swipe to left like this until you can see a cartoon. This one, you just click on it and please waiting. And after this, you can click check icon at the bottom. This one, click on it and finish. So that how to change a cartoon effect, so that how to change your photo to cartoon and at CapCut app. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoyed the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.